Hi friends! This week we're going to be talking about how to take care of where we live. So I'm going to show you some words that can kind of help with that, okay? So look right here. Do you guys know what this is with all the waves? Ocean. Ocean. The ocean. This is the ocean. We have to keep the ocean clean and we have to make sure the animals there are safe so we don't throw trash in the ocean. Okay? Over here, this circle thing, this is where we live. It's called Earth. Earth. So our house is on right here over this brown green area over here. This is Earth. Earth, where we live. Earth. So ocean on this side, Earth on this side. All right, let's see some other things. Ooh, okay. Let me try to move this up actually. Nope. All right, so we have trash and recycle. So there are different things we can have where we can put in the trash and different things where we can put in the recycle. So look, our trash for the cookies, that goes in the trash. Spoons and forks and everything goes in the trash. Styrofoam goes in the trash. Things we can recycle, that means recycling, means using it again. We can put papers, so any papers that we do for school or for work, we can put in the recycle. Any newspapers or maybe any books that we don't want anymore, we can recycle them. Cardboard, we can put in the recycle. We just have to make sure to rip it. So any boxes that come to your house, we can put them in there. So we have trash over here with the trash can, trash, and recycle. And this is the sign for recycle, 3 green arrows. Okay. Look, I have a picture of lots of animals. Lots of different animals. All of these animals have one thing in common, and it means they're endangered. So the word is endangered. Endangered means there's not a lot left. So there's a little bit left, a little bit. So out of all these animals, there's a little bit. There's only a little bit of elephants, a little bit of orangutans, a little bit of tigers, a little bit of this parrot, a little bit. Endangered. Endangered. Not a lot. Not a lot. So endangered, does it mean a lot or a little? Endangered. A lot, a little. It means a little. Endangered is a little. Like a little bit. Endangered. Little. Okay? Alright. Now this one is this word right here with the earth in the hands. That's protect. Protect. Now it is your job and it is my job to protect the earth and where we live. We want to make sure where we live is safe. Protect. So some things that you can do in this picture over here, you can turn the light switch off when you're not using it. So if you're in your room and you have the light on and then you walk to the kitchen, turn your light off. Turn your light off. This little girl here is brushing her teeth, but look, the water is off. She's not using the water, so it gets turned off. Okay? That's a way you can protect the earth too, by turning the water off when you're not using it. Look, this is a piece of paper. When you're doing your coloring or when you have your crayons or if you're painting, use both sides of the paper. So you're going to draw a picture of a smiley face on this side, but then on this side you can draw a picture of a sad face. All right? So use both sides. And then if you're done, you can keep it or you can put it in the recycling bin. Another way that you can protect the earth is by planting a tree. You can plant trees, you can plant flowers, you can do lots of different things. All right? So I hope you guys practice your words. They're a little bit tricky this week, so you got to keep practicing, okay? Alrighty, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!